you're new, my name is Markayylaab, and welcome back if you're returning. Thank you for stopping by. Thank you for stopping back by. And hey to all my new subscribers, I see y'all. Thank you so much, and I appreciate and love every single one of you. So if you've been following me for a while, you notice that it looks a little different in here. That's because we moved, and I'm super excited to show you guys a house tour, DIY stuff, everything else. But we literally just moved in, so let me get settled, okay? So today is a morning routine, and my son is in fall break right now, so this is our little routine for right now. It will change in 2 weeks. And I will be doing spooky season, so I'm super excited about that. I will be posting all 31, or I'm gonna try to hold myself to the standard, post every single day for 31 days of the month. Wow, can I talk? I'm gonna post 31 days for the month of October. I'm gonna be telling scary stories, vlogs, doing pumpkin stuff, makeup, a lot of things. So make sure you are subscribed, your notification bells are on, and you like, comment on this video. Okay, thank you. Also, follow me on my social medias. They will be down below and they will be up on the screen. I think that's pretty much it. I will have a night routine coming soon too, but anyways, let me stop rambling. Let's get into the video.
Starting out the day, I'm gonna wake Josiah up and get him ready to start his day first, and then I will get myself ready. Start by just waking him up because he's always super confused when he wakes up. I'm going to open these blinds and head over to the restroom where I am running his bath water because, as I said, we just moved in here, so we haven't bought a shower curtain yet. So I'm just running his bath because he did wet the bed, and that's why he's wearing Pampers, because I'm tired of washing the sheets. After that, I'm gonna pour him some cough medicine because he's been coughing these past few days and we gotta get rid of that cough. Then I'll put some toothpaste on his toothbrush, and then I'll let him, do his thing while I go pick out his clothes. Usually I'll let him pick out the clothes, but for time's sake, I'm just doing it right now, and I'll let him do his thing in the bathroom. So while he's in the restroom getting ready, I'm going to make his bed and pick out his clothes and go and give it to him. But I'm just straightening up right now. We are working on the days of the week, so every morning I like to remind him what yesterday was, what today is, and what tomorrow will be, and then go over the days of the week so that so that he'll learn them. And here he is just crossing out yesterday. So yeah. Here I am just opening up these blinds so I can get some natural sunlight in this house. And look at him, he's so cute. If it's not a weekend and I'm not cooking something for breakfast, I let him pick out his breakfast. So he picked Fruity Pebbles, and he's gonna watch TV while he eats his breakfast. So now that Jojo is dressed and fed, it's time for me to get ready. So I am making my boyfriend a nice coffee for the morning. I'm trying to get into a routine. I'm having pumpkin spice and he's having the regular caramel one, and I'm just gonna mix this up and taste it, and then I'm gonna bring it to him. So now it's my turn. I'm going to brush my teeth, wash my face, and then do my makeup. My wig is on its last leg, so yeah, I'm gonna take it off and do some maintenance this weekend, but for right now, can't nobody see that through Zoom, so that's what we're working with. So I skipped past me doing my makeup, but here I am. I'm just trying to do something with this hair of mine. Like I said, it's on its last days. It's Friday, so this weekend I'm gonna take it off and revamp it. Now that I have gotten ready, I'm just gonna go into the bedroom and open the blinds and make the bed and straighten the room up a little bit. And yes, I know these pillows do not have cases on them, but it's Friday. I'm gonna wash everything, so it really doesn't matter. Now it's actually time for me to clock in, so that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to set my computers up, or monitors, whatever you call them, and set everything up so I can get to working. And he's coming in here talking to me about something that I'm pretending to know about. So this is around the time of my first break. We're just gonna get a snack and eat that, and then I'm gonna go back to work and he's gonna continue doing what he's doing. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on my social medias, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, be safe.